So how do we go about using an interpreter?
It's important to give support and also the time to the interpreters in that briefing period before they actually go in and interpret for the meeting.
We've arranged a situation where I can now visit with an interpreter every week, and that's made a huge difference to my experience actually going there. The interpreter acts as a cultural broker for me, so he's actually taught me how I should be approaching people. It's been really useful for me. He also is able to talk to people about ward routines that aren't appropriate for Aboriginal people, and we've been able to make some recommendations for some changes to the way things operate in the ward as a result of, you know, just having an interpreter there every week.
The key to good and effective communication, particularly delivery of services and programs, is to be confident that you get your message across. You have to be sure that what you have to say is clear and everyone understands you. Don't forget you have a duty of care to make sure people you deal with are properly informed and can give informed consent. To do that properly, you need to be sure you understand what they are saying too. Ultimately, this will save you time and money.